Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
It's back.
There's a hole in my hoodie. Dear Liza, there's a hole in my hoodie. Dear Liza, a hole. Hey, I never said I was anything but tone deaf. Stays crunchy on carpet. J Rocker for Life said, Diana putting on makeup equals the artist painting on the most beautiful canvas.
Aw, that's so sweet.
You just hone in on all the negative comments. There's some really positive comments. In fact,
That's the sweetest thing I've ever heard.
it was in the comments thread, the one you were just worried about.
Yeah.
There was a woman last night who was commenting she did her first vlog in Disneyland or Disney World. I think with her boyfriend or husband or fiance, I'm not sure. But she says she doesn't even watch the tech videos in the channel, she just watches for the vlog. So you can't make everybody happy.
Cut your forehead out.
Good, because I'm not happy with my forehead today. Couldn't get it to look right.
There's a tonsil in my,
There's a tonsil in your what? Because if you say anything other than throat, we're going to the emergency room.
There's a tonsil
I'm over here.
in my hole.
There's a tonsil in your hole?
There's a hole in my tonsil. The Valentina literally burnt a hole in my tonsil. And then I kept eating it, so that didn't help. I checked it this morning and it's worse than I thought. What did I get? Earl Grey?
Hot. Do you get the reference? I'm up here.
You look like
Hello.
Batman. Because all I can see is your mouth.
I'm Batman. This happened last night as I watched the Season 1 finale of King of the Nerds. Found out that Celeste won, and she was one of my favorites, even though I would have probably picked Ivan, Brandon, or Moo as well. And so I ended up replying to her last night to say congratulations, and she replied back, and she said, especially to hear it from you, it was appreciated. So I don't know if that means that she watches this channel or she's heard of us before, but that's cool, dude. You can follow Celeste on Twitter. That's her handle there. And she's also on YouTube as Miss Celeste. And she has some of her Rubik's Cube videos there on her channel now.
I had the weirdest dreams last night that I was sitting in class and then David DeFranco came in class and he sat next to me and I asked him, how do you stay in such great shape? And he said, well, I don't eat or drink liquids and that helps. So I'm debating on doing that.
And that's a bad idea.
Then I switched over. All of a sudden, I was like in a Walmart, running through the lanes, trying to hide from my dad. And then after that, I switched over to another dream where I had these pretty pink pants on, and I couldn't find them, so I was looking all over for them. It was crazy. David DeFranco's a superhuman. He doesn't eat or drink.
In your dream, hun, that's not real.
What did you dream about?
I don't know. I can't remember. I honestly can't remember. I'm recording the sky. Not a single cloud up there. I asked the question on Twitter and Facebook and Google Plus this morning, do you want me to open my Series 9 minifigs in a future Pirillo vlog or as a separate video in this channel? Because I'll only upload it as a separate video in this channel if you guys really want it. But I've been waiting to open them because I wasn't sure what you wanted me to do, but I should ask because I can't assume. You have to tell me, so leave a comment.
I vote in the vlog channel.
In the what? This is the vlog channel, hon.
Yeah, that's what I vote.
That doesn't help. That's a big minifig, and I'm okay with that. They are open with a Yoda right up front. I showed you my broken lightning to 30-pin adapter the other day and brought it to the Apple store. They replaced it for free.
Just left the Lego store and I got Chris a bunch of goodies that he's gonna love. I'm gonna put all of these in his Darth Vader Easter eggs. I went a little overboard, but I don't think he'll mind. I think he's up at the Apple store, so I might go find him or I might just wait here. I don't know.
I found Diana, and I think she's none the wiser, so I don't think she saw me in the store. I have a haul. I needed to get something at one of Diana's stores, but for me, clear brow gel. I needed this, and all I had was the pink variety. I mean, the brow gel is clear though, it's not pink, or so I'm told. I needed this for obvious reasons.
Bananas at the bottom, and then mango up here.
Isn't it supposed to be frozen yogurt?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the frozen yogurt?
Underneath all the goodies. But I did get veggies.
Veggies?
I mean, fruities instead of chocolate.
You better eat it fast because it's kind of warming up out here. I think they sprinkled sugar on the fries. They're kind of sweet. I got garlic parmesan, boneless wings, and I believe lemon pepper with some veggie sticks. See, those are vegetables, hon.
Yeah.
With buffalo or wing sauce and blue cheese with an amber ale because they didn't have any stouts or porters. Love the table.
It's nice and toasty.
This doesn't work. I don't know how the dogs do it. I'm turning on the air conditioner. Low, low, low.
It's as low as I can.
Come on.
Put it on just
Come
your
on.
side.
Come on, I can't. It's just the whole thing or nothing. Just close off the vents.
Baby. Holy shit. Put it on full blast.
Can't you see the wind blowing through my hair? Ah! What are you doing? Hey!
It'll get colder faster if it's not on full blast. There are some big dogs.
I got the teas!
Yay!
Time. There's some other package. I don't know what's in here. But it says time-sensitive material.
Huh.
Oh, yeah! I asked for these sticky notes that are in the shape of Tetris blocks.
Cool.
And Matthew Dunn just sent them.
Oh, that's awesome.
He's the one who got the iPad, and we did a hangout last night on GoToMeeting, the sponsor, talking about vlogging. So, and I'm going to be uploading that video to the YouTube channel as soon as I get it edited. Smoky bacon, some Thai lemongrass, some Indian spice. You might like that. Spicy tortilla, now that I know you're gonna like. My tomato basil, and my tomato basil. We also got tomato basil. The spicy tortilla tastes an awful lot like tomato basil, but adds a bit of a peppery tingle to it.
All right, let's see your outfit of the day.
It's the R2D2 hoodie that I was wearing earlier, and my regular old black shoes and jeans, white socks, blue underwear.
Okay. They usually don't do that in outfit of the days, but that's a bonus. Good job, baby.
You can see my bonus? Almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and boot up my first computer. And neat thing is I turn it around. Oh, gonna keep the keyboard up there. There is the power cord, and I can also slide out the motherboard to get to it in case I need to replace or upgrade any components.
While I was getting ready, I fell asleep in our closet.
We're here early, but we're gonna grab a bite to eat at one of our favorite Mediterranean places, get some dolma. Don't you wish your dolma was tasty like mine? I almost forgot the baba ganoush.
This looks fun.
It's loud.
They're a couple of steps ahead of the law.
This is totally not my scene. This is the best swag we got at the party. An LED styrofoam wand that has various settings. Quite nice. The batteries are also replaceable. I love this thing. Thanks for liking and sharing our videos.